So in the previous slide, we have seen that uh, on the basis of the value of zeta, if the value is of 1 or is to be greater than 1 or it is to be less than 1, we have defined our system in three different categories. Like if it is of 1, it is defined as a critical, greater than 1, it is defined as a overdamped, and less than 1, it is defined as an underdamped condition, right? So we are going to write this equation of again in this form, like x double dot plus c by m x dot plus k by m of x equals to 0. We have already defined zeta, that is of critical damping coefficient, or 2 zeta under root km, which is also to be written as 2 zeta m into omega n, which is also to be written as 2 zeta k by omega n, right? This we have already defined and we have written it. Now just replace c by m or k by m in the form of zeta. Then we can write this expression x double dot plus c by m. C by m, it is to be written as 2 zeta omega n x dot, right? Plus k by m, and k by m is what? Omega, that is a natural frequency in radian, is x equals to 0, right? In the form of the roots, in the form of the roots s1 and 2, this can be written as minus zeta omega n plus minus under root zeta square omega n square minus omega n square. It means what? This can be further written as minus zeta plus minus under root zeta square minus 1 into omega n, right? So the exact solution of this equation will depend upon the roots of s1 and s2. अब roots of s1 s2 का क्या मतलब होता है? If you can see this condition, so this zeta, अगर हम बोलते हैं कि zeta की वैल्यू 1 है, it means what? It means what? कि in this equation, if you put the value of 1, तो ये वैल्यू हो जाएगी 0. तो roots are real, means what? s1 और s2 दो रूट्स जो होंगे वो सेम होंगे, मतलब माइनस जीटा की वैल्यूज को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो वी कैन से द रूट्स आर सेम एंड रियल. कोई भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस को अगर आप समझने की कोशिश करो तो वो क्या होगा, दो उसके दो दो वैल्यूज मिल के आएंगी, वो दो वैल्यूज जो है आइदर वो उस इक्वेशंस को सेटिस्फाई करेंगे, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे वो दो वैल्यूज का मतलब क्या हुआ, द टू वैल्यूज मीन्स व्हाट, कि अगर this value this in if you put a value of zeta equals to 1 in this equation, what you will get, the root you will get, जो दो values होंगी वो same होंगी. Similarly, if I say the zeta की value is greater than 1, when we say zeta is greater than 1, it is defined as overdamped conditions, right? So similarly, if you put this value, zeta की value अगर यहाँ पे आप put करते हो तो ये क्या होगा, this value is positive. तो पॉजिटिव होने का मतलब क्या है कि रूट्स आर रियल, roots are real. We can say that the roots are real but unequals, right? Unequal का मतलब क्या हुआ कि भाई आप यहाँ पे वैल्यूज पुट करोगे तो यू फर्स्ट यू टेक पॉजिटिव साइन and then you take negative sign. In the first case, कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है कि प्लस माइनस का साइन यहाँ पे आएगा, बिकॉज दिस वैल्यू बिकम 0. सिमिलरली व्हेन जीटा इज लेस देन 1, तो यहाँ पे जो रूट्स बनेंगे, अगेन रूट्स जो है अनइक्वल रहेंगे, बट द रूट्स आर इमेजिनरी, बट द रूट्स आर imaginary, right? Because this value is under root negative में होगा, तो हम यहाँ पे iota के फॉर्म में उसको मेंशन करते हैं, and this value is in imaginary. So based on 3 different conditions, we can say that if the roots are real and same, it is defined as a critical damping conditions, right? If I say roots are real but unequal, it is defined as over damped conditions. Similarly, if I say the roots are imaginary, it is defined as under damped conditions. Okay, so now we are going to more concerned about how it is going to be defined. कि अगर ये critical damped condition है, तो कितना टाइम लगता है किसी बॉडी को अपनी मीन displaced position से mean position तक आने में. Similarly, this can be also find out in over damped and under damped conditions. Right? I believe up to this point it is clear to everyone. Now the first part that we are going to explain is over damped condition, right? So first one that I'm going to write, the first one, listen one properly. When I say zeta value is greater than 1, it means what? The system is over damped conditions. The roots of the equations are real. It means what? If I'm going to write the roots of the equation as 1 and 2, S are the roots of the equations, then it is to be written as minus zeta plus minus under root zeta square minus 1 into omega n, and its solution can be written as A is equals the solution can be written as x equals to A e to the power s1t plus b e to the power s2t. So here you can see that in this solution, s1, the values of s1 यहाँ put करेंगे, and the values of s2 if we put here, so we get the values of this one, and a and b can be find out with the help of initial conditions, right? So we can write that a e to the power minus zeta plus under root zeta square minus 1 into omega n t, right, plus b e to the power minus zeta. Now here going to take minus sign, that is why it is defined as two values, n into omega n t, where a and b are the constant which can be find out from the initial condition. This is the equation of an aperiodic motion. Always remember, this equation is defined as aperiodic motion. That is, the system cannot vibrate. That is, the system cannot vibrate due to over damping. The magnitude of the resultant damp displacement approaches to 0 with time. So if we are suppose if we are going to draw this diagram, अगर हम एक conditions को observe करने की कोशिश करें, तो we can see that कि suppose आपने initial position पे इस values को displace किया, so you can see that कि it will not execute a vibratory motion. It will slowly bring back its initial position. But yes, based on this, you can see that it takes infinite time to bring its the mean position. This is the displaced position. This is the displaced position. Suppose आपने एक initial displacement दिया, so after some interval of time, it will bring back its initial position. So you can say this is your displacement with time curve. So this type of equation is followed. Because of this, it is defined as a periodic, means which cannot vibrate. So for the first conclusion, in the over damped conditions, we understand that जब आपने रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशंस को इलेबोरेट किया तो यू विल फाइंड दिस इक्वेशन एंड दिस इक्वेशन इज व्हाट अपीरियोडिक इन मोशन. अपीरियोडिक मोशन मींस वाइब्रेशन. पीरियोडिक मोशंस को अगर हम समझने की कोशिश करें तो वी कैन से दैट कि every equal interval of time the motion repeat itself, right? So if the motion does not repeat itself, that means it does not vibrate. वाइब्रेशंस का मतलब है टू एंड फ्रो मोशंस है, अपनी मोशंस को रिपीट करना एवरी रेगुलर इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. तो ओवर डैम्प्ड कंडीशन कैन नॉट बी अ वाइब्रेटरी मोशन. क्लियर है? So that is why we are not give much concern about the over damped conditions. Now class, moving to the next one, that is your when zeta value. Now this is important, please listen properly. If I say the value of zeta is less than 1, it means what? It is defined as under damped conditions, right? So let's see whether this under damped conditions have a periodic or aperiodic motion. So we can write this roots of the equations further, that is S1 and 2, and this can be written as minus zeta plus minus under root zeta square minus 1 into omega n, right? So that value, if that value is under less than 1, then this can be written as minus zeta plus minus I of 1 minus zeta square into omega, right? Now I'm going to in this equation, in this solution, you can say x is equals to a e to the power s1 t plus b e to the power s2 t, right? So I'm going to put s1 and s2 of this value in this equation. An equation can be written as a e of minus zeta plus I under root 1 minus zeta square omega n t. Now student, listen this properly and see this condition. B is e to the power minus zeta minus I under root 1 minus zeta square omega n, right? Now I'm just going to write कि अगर हम इस conditions को समझने की कोशिश करें, so we can write under root 1 minus zeta square omega n is also to be written as omega d. So we just replace this equation that x is equals to a e to the power minus zeta and plus I omega d t, yes, plus b e to the power minus zeta minus I omega dt. That is a damped natural frequency, you can say. So this x can further be replaced is like, अगर हम इस चीज़ों को कॉमन ले लें तो वी कैन राइट z माइनस e to the power minus zeta omega n t.
सर ऊपर ए